In this video, I want to show you how to create river stream order in QGIS from digital elevation model. So let's go to QGIS. So in QGIS, the first thing to do is to bring your digital elevation model. So to do that, click on Add Raster Layer. Navigate to your folder and bring in your digital elevation model. In this case, I want to use this then projected. Click on Open. Here is my digital elevation model. Now the first thing is to cross-check the properties of this digital elevation model you want to use to produce the river order. So right-click and click on Properties. Then come under General. If you are using other version, you may see Information. So here you can see the coordinate reference system. The coordinate reference system is showing UTM zone 32 north. So that is projected coordinate reference system. So make sure you project your digital elevation model. You can check the description box on how to project your digital elevation model or how to project your raster. So after ensuring that your digital elevation model is projected, let's go to the river order creation. The first thing to do is to fill sync of this dam, which is a very important process in terrain analysis. So to do that, click on Processing, click on Toolbox, and here search for Fill Sync. So you can see under Terrain Analysis, Hydrology, you see Fill Sync Wangan Liu. So click on this Fill Sync Wangan Liu. Then our under parameters, the dam will be our digital elevation model. So we don't need this flow direction, uncheck it. We don't need this watershed basin, uncheck it. So our interest is on the field dam. So you can save it as a temporal layer or you can save it in your working folder. So let's leave it as temporal layer and click on Run. This will just take few seconds to run and fill the sync. As you can see, the fill dam is done. So the next operation is to create or extract the river channels in this fill dam. So to do that, come back to this very processing tool and search for channel. See under terrain analysis channels. So we are going for this second option, which is channel network and drainage basin. So double click it. When it opens, under parameters here, the elevation is going to be our fill dam. Then the threshold, if you put larger value here, you will be able to extract only major stream. But if you put smaller value, you will extract the major stream and also minor streams as well. So let's leave it at 5.0. Then we don't need flow direction, uncheck it. We don't need flow connectivity, uncheck it. We don't need the straler order, uncheck it. We don't need the drainage basin, uncheck it. So our interest is on the channel, so leave it, while we also uncheck the drainage basin down here. Then uncheck this junction as well. So our interest is on the channel. Once again, if you want to save it to your local disk, you can click here and save it as file. But let's leave it as a temporal layer. Let's just leave it as a temporal layer and click on Run. This will take few seconds as well to run and extract the drainage network or channel in the fill dam. Yes, the extraction of the river or of the drainage network has been done. So I can close this toolbox and uncheck the fill them. So here is our streams or drainage network in the study area. So what we can do, come to channel and right click, come to properties, then come to style. In other version, you may see symbology here. So we can change the color to any color of our choice and click on OK. So here we see it. This is our stream extracted. Now if you come back to this channel, right click and click on open attributes table. Here if I expand it, you can see some field that has been created, but the most important one is this order, which represent our stream order. So take note of this order because we are going to use it to finish the remaining process. So now what we can do, we can come back to this channel, right click and click on properties, then come to label. Here instead of no label, let's go for show label for this layer. Then the field we want to use to label is the order. You can increase the size of the label or decrease and click on OK. So here you can see the stream orders. You can see the stream order here. To better appreciate it, what you can do, come to this channel, right click and come to properties. We can remove the label for now. Let's just say no label for now. Then come to style. This, instead of this single symbol, click here and click on categorized. Then the column we want to use to categorize is the order. Click on it, then click on classify. So you can see we have order 1 to 6. So you can click on apply and click on OK. So you can see our stream order clearly here from order 1 to 6, just as shown here. So the next thing we can do, we can uncheck this because it's not part of it. So we can still come back to this channel, right click and click on properties. Then here we can choose to give different color and different thickness to each of the order. For instance, this one, which is the first one, double click on this line, click on simple line. Let's change the color, for instance, to black and click on OK. Then the second one, let's leave the color as it is, but let's change the width and click on OK. Then the third one, let's change the color to this color and increase the width. Click on OK. The fourth one, let's change the color as dim fit and change the width also. Click on OK. Likewise, this fifth one, you just need to change the color as dim fit. Then let's change the width. Likewise, this one. Let's change the width and click on OK. So we can see the stream order clearly here. You can see it here, well represented. So the next thing we can do is that this fill them, we can check it and right click and come to properties. So come to style. Instead of single gray, we can change it to single band pseudo color. So choose your color ramp here. Let's go with this spectra and click on OK. Yes, we can see our results. So now we can go back to channel, right click and go to properties so that we can label each of the order. So come to label. Let's show label for the layer and click on OK. Yes, you can see the river order from order 1 to 6. You can see it here. But because it entails a larger area, if I move it like this, it will take a long time to load the labeling. But you can see the stream order from order 1 to order 6, just as shown in the table of contents. So this is how to create or extract river stream order in QGIS from digital elevation model. Thank you for watching this video.